Wait, you said 3,000?
Yes.
Damn.
Alright folks, it's time for another day here at Ray Signs.
Welcome to the shop.
And today Georgie is wearing his jacket. Alright, so I'm just starting off by making some designs and filling out a couple of sign permit applications. So I'll do this for the next hour. Yeah, I'll do this for the next hour or so, and then I'll get started on some printing and go started on just walking around and checking up on a couple of things. But anyway, let's get started.
When I went in to add a new image.
Let me take a quick pause here and just preface this by saying that there's probably going to be quite a bit of voiceovers up in this little show today. It's a quick story time right here on this call. Maybe about a week ago, a couple of days ago, I went to go program this screen right here. This is an LED full color screen. We also installed this type of sign, but I went to go program them, and then when we program screens like this, we have a special software which we train the client on. So I did an in-person training, but I always want to make sure they have a good foundation, a good amount of knowledge. So after the in-person training, they get a chance to mess around with the software, and if they have any questions or just want another walkthrough, I always give them the option to call me, and we could do a remote. Can I remote in? Fully remote call where we do another walkthrough. So this is what I'm going to be doing here. Another option that you have to publish. Well, let me
I thought I had messed something up.
You're good. So we got to pick up some supplies, and we are and my dad Ray is picking up the supplies. So we're just gonna call in and see if we can place an order for additional supplies. Do you guys have any coil on hand that we can get as well?
I don't have any coil on hand right now. We're working to produce more.
All right then. Thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Thanks, Jim.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Alright, they didn't have any extra on hand, as you heard it from the man himself, so we're just going to wait till they have more in stock, and I already placed a reservation order, so it doesn't matter that much, but still, we want to get more and more of that in, especially when there's, you know, issues coming in from the ports of not being supplied enough raw materials and stuff, so anyway. Alright, while I worry about making calls and emails, let's see what the warehouse crew is up to.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them.
This right here is a material order. Each one of them is one sheet. Voy a intentar cortar eso. After lunchtime. Alright, I'm back in the printer section here, and I'm about to start printing a couple of things. We're making a special little gift for one of our friends, and it's gonna be like a little cool acrylic picture. So I'm gonna start with the clear vinyl, and then
all my black Barbies, they come and roll on me. It's like I got on Playboy like my name was cut. All my black Barbies, they come round all on me. It's like I got on Playboy like my name was cut. All my black Barbies.
What is your name and what are you doing?
Mi nombre es Gloria y estoy pelando un vinil para hacer unas playeras.
Kevin is the shop manager and whatever he says goes. Right, Kevin?
Yeah, in that case, you must leave.
What? You can't kick me out of the shop.
You just said I am the manager. Whatever I say is goes. You could not be giving out our intel about how we make signs. Private information.
Quick pause for a client pickup.
Thank you so much for the time. And I will recommend
We finally got some samples for some acrylics. We had to buy about $3,000 worth of acrylic to get this one tiny piece of sample that we've been trying to get for years. Right, Kevin?
That's damn right. Wait, you said 3,000?
Yes.
Damn.
What'd you break?
What'd you break?
Kevin goes in with that cool.
That one great.
Alright everyone, it's getting pretty close to the end of the day here. I just got a last minute print come in. So we're going to finish that up and then we're going to wrap it up here and go home. What is up everybody? Again, I forgot to do the outro, but it is okay. Anyway, it's a whole nother day. You guys have a great one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.